Welcome to INS. First thing first, we have been hearing a lot about the genre, the mythological horror. So, can you please elaborate? In fact, you also spoke about the same in the press conference.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
It's the first time something like this has been attempted. I think world over, I don't think I've seen a mythological horror pretty much anywhere. And it's how we as a country have an amazing culture. We have such fabulous stories. So it's basically bringing one of the stories back to life. And yeah, and of course we have the most amazing Kalima as a main protagonist, and that's where the title comes from actually, Ma. So it is the story of the germ story is of Kali and Raktabij. I don't know whether you've heard of the story or not,
Yes.
but yes, of course you must have. So yeah, it's a very famous story, and that's where the thought came from. The film initially started out as an we were kind of writing it in concept stage as a thriller, and that's what it started out as, and that's why I was so excited about it. And I was like, oh my god, I'm such a believer, and this is such a perfect film for me to do. And जैसे कहते हैं ना, हम कलयुग में रह रहे हैं, तो I think Kali is the most perfect goddess of this day and age.
The story of Kalima and Raktbij is very popular in Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, this area.
Absolutely.
So, have there been any attempt to make it in a way so that it resonates with the entire India? Because there
Absolutely, it's explained. बहुत सोच समझ के किया है हमने, और बहुत सोच समझ के मतलब we have explained it quite nicely in the film actually. So yeah, that's the whole thought behind it, and of course then there is a film. That's one part of the film. But yeah, so the whole film basically, I can't tell you too much about it. I hope you watch the film, then you'll understand exactly how we've interwoven it in the entire film.
You started the entire promotion from Dakshineshwar Temple, Kolkata.
Yes.
So how was your experience? I think because your roots are there in West Bengal and Kolkata, everything was. But how was the entire experience this time?
My roots are with Ma, wherever she is really, and she's. I mean, I've been a Bhakt all my life, so I think that I feel her hand on my head always, and I didn't think that there was a better way to start off the promotions of a film that seems to be dedicated to her, and than Kali Ma ka mandir basically. So I think I'm very happy that we started off over there, and Dakshineshwar is a very, very powerful temple. Yeah.
Apart from praying in the temple, what else do you like most about Kolkata? Because it's like your parent.
I love the food. I love the speed of the city, which is like nice. There's a certain ease to Mumbai is not like that at all. In Bombay, I think you enter Mumbai and you feel like your pulse picks up literally the minute you step foot in Mumbai. But I think Kolkata there's this ease to the city and to the people, and even to the traffic.
Frozen in time, something like you feel.
Yeah, kind of, which I haven't seen in any other city, and they're lovely people. They're genuinely just a wonderfully people. They're a wonderful people.
And also, we saw the amazing chat with R. Madhavan, when you both spoke about Shaitan and also Ma in the entire conversation. So how was it like, bringing the entire thing, on the camera?
It was amazing because I think Madhavan is a great actor. He's really a very, very fine actor, and he was absolutely amazing in Shaitan. So I think that's something that I was genuinely curious about. Of course, it was great to work with him. He's not in the film, let me just tell you that. This film doesn't have him in it. Okay. So, but yeah, he's
But there
quite
is
amazing.
some Shaitan in the film.
हाँ, बिल्कुल, एक द्वैतो है. There's a Rakshas in the film. And that's what Ma is fighting. And the whole film basically is about your battle between your faith and evil.
And since this has been co-produced by Ajay sir, and I was just thinking a while back, from Raju Chacha
Yes.
to Ma, how has been this journey working with your husband, like a professional? इसको थोड़ा अगर आप elaborate करें तो.
But I've been working with Ajay Devgan as a professional from the time that I was 18 years old or 19
Co-actor.
years old.
But he as a producer and then you
He as a
actor.
producer is a really, really good producer. He's an excellent producer, and he's one of those, very much hands-on producers. So from scripting to, the VFX to the music, he has really, really, taken, gotten his hands dirty and made sure that he's a part of all of it and made sure that it all works, fits, even till the marketing for that matter. So yeah, he's a really good producer.
But if we talk about the journey, because as I spoke about Raju Chacha, I remember that film because I have watched it multiple times. So what change do you see in the entire journey?
I think as a producer, he is very clear that he wants to make good films. He wants to make good films, and he makes sure that whatever happens, his company will come out with a good product, something that he can stand up and say belongs to him, and something that he can stand up and say he's not ashamed of, which I think is a huge mark for him as a man and as a producer, because sometimes it can get economically easy to produce a slightly shoddy product, but he has never let that come in his way as a producer. So I think kudos to him.
And do you give your inputs on the same? Like if you're talking about economics, so basically my question was economic centric. So do you give
economically, I think he has a lot of people to advise him economically as to what he should and shouldn't do. So no, I don't interfere with that aspect of it. As far as this film is concerned, Ma is concerned, yes, we did have some long conversations about it. I think we had to shoot a part of the climax as well. For VFX reasons and for action, etc., etc. But yes, we're pretty much on the same page. We haven't really had any big fights over the movie.
Yeah. So in the press conference, we saw Ajay. As usual, we see him making all these funny remarks and hilarious comments, and he spoke that any husband would like to, make a horror movie with his wife. So it's like he comes across as a really funny person. So how do you do you never mind it, और कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि एक मिनट के लिए कि हाँ गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, ऐसा
हाँ
होता है?
बिल्कुल होता है, क्यों नहीं होता है? हाँ बिल्कुल होता है. But fortunately for him, मैंने वो जवाब दे दिया, उसके जवाब से पहले मैंने ही जवाब दे दिया. So no, I can't get angry at my own answer now, can I?
So you also spoke about the film's climax and you called it brutal. So can you please elaborate about it, sir?
But by brutal, I meant that it was very, very physically taxing. It was very, very, it took a huge toll out of all of us. We shot for it for a very long time. Matti, dhool, cable, action. It was like full on, like getting your hands dirty, literally. Khoon pasina ek karke humne climax khatam kiya. So yes, it was a really, really difficult climax to shoot, especially with the VFX angle to it and all that.
So when you were, working in 90s, so films used to be mostly like song, dance, romance and things like that. And now you are doing, all kind of characters, various roles. So do you think for these days, a challenge for an actor is much more what it used to be earlier? Because, like you said that you shoot in real locations, dhool, mitti,
No, we always did
difficult.
that. In fact,
Yeah,
I think it was much more difficult to shoot a film, to shoot action in the 90s than it is today. Today it's much easier to shoot a film because we have bigger sets, you have technology, you have you have better cameras, you have a lot more at your disposal. So yes, there is it's much easier to shoot, in fact, in today's day and age. But as an actor, yes, I mean, of course I've grown up since then. So even if you look at all my choices of movies, it wasn't just song and dance. I did have something to say then, and I still do. It's different today. As usual, the scripts that I choose today are different from what I did then, and I hope they continue to be.
And as I said that in the last few years you have been doing a lot more, variety of roles, like we saw in the film Kriti, with Kriti, I forgot the title, Dopatti. So you played a cop, and now again this horror genre, which you have not done earlier. So what else there is left that you want to do because you have done everything. I mean, मैं तो ये imagine करती हूँ कि हाँ मैंने हर तरह के role में देख लिया. But if I ask from your point of view,
I don't know honestly. It'll depend on who comes to me with what. But I would like to do a comedy. I think I would like to do a comedy. I think it'll be really cool, and I think I'll do a fabulous job of it. So I think I'll do a comedy next.
okay, people these days speak a lot about the comedy of 90s and early 2000 and say कि उस समय जो मज़ा आता था जो comedy में जो होती थी, and especially even I remember your film Ishq and many others. Do you really think that these days that punches and that comic timing everything is missing? I mean, all these things are missing.
I think comedy is something that is very subjective. It's very subjective. जो मुझे हंसाता है वो शायद आपको हंसा नहीं सके. जो मुझे बहुत funny लगता है वो शायद आपको नहीं लगे. So I think comedy is subjective, and I think most of the films that are being made today are made keeping an entire mass in mind rather than any particular viewpoint. So yeah, it's changed in that sense. Yeah, I mean, but those same punches are being used time and again. So no, I would like to see a really, really maybe very, very well written comedy. I haven't seen that in a long time. True.
Which school of comedy you belong to? Rishikesh Mukherjee kind, or Ishq, your film, which was or it used to be very subtle comedy in Rishikesh Mukherjee's
Yeah,
film, and
right.
then थोड़ा सा कई होते हैं कि थोड़ा ज़्यादा loud
I
होता
thought
है.
the Rishikesh Mukherjee films were so intelligent. They were really intelligent. They were really funny. I love that kind of filmmaking, and I wish we had better films made like that. In fact.
So if I ask you, because since we are currently talking about comedy, so if you ask you one or two of your favorite comedy films, अभी पहले से लेके अभी तक में.
I can't really name any, honestly. I really can't name. I can't remember right now. But I think that I definitely agree with you that I think that there's a subtler comedy that I find funnier. Really, dark comedy, satire, all of that.
Okay. Now coming back to Ma, how was your experience working with the director?
It was amazing. Vishal is such a fine director, and it's he's all of all the scenes and everything. He's directed it so well. At no point did I feel that I was confused as to what I was supposed to be doing or anything like that. I think he was very clear about what he wanted to do and how he wanted to shoot it, etc. So I'm really grateful. I think he's a wonderful director.
I met him a few weeks back for an interview, and then I asked him that because I found that he's very talkative. So he said, no, I don't talk much on the sets. I'm very focused. So was it like that?
No, bilkul. He doesn't talk at all. We had to like sit down and I had to actually sit down and make him talk and ask him. I kept asking him. I was like, what do you want? आपको क्या करना है? आपको कुछ बदलना है? बता दीजिए मुझे. All of that. So I had to literally like coax that out of him. But but he knew what he wanted. I mean, that was very clear, that he had a very clear idea of where the film was going and how it should go there.
We also, like, not on camera but off camera, some newcomers or directors who work with very senior actors. So off camera they say that at times they find it very uncomfortable interacting with very, very senior actors, very experienced actors. So I mean, you are the one, आप तुरंत समझ जाती होंगी कि हाँ ये uncomfortable हो रहे हैं. So how do you then make the director comfortable?
I didn't really have to work too hard. I think it was. I think he's a lovely guy. He's a wonderfully quiet and well-spoken person, and I think everybody on set was on the same on the same side basically. So I think we all just kind of chilled and had fun together. And no, I don't think there were any awkward moments between all of us at all.
Okay, talking about re-releases, so many are happening and your films has also re-released. A few more, like कुछ ऐसी फिल्म जिसको आपकी फिल्म you'd like to see it again in the theaters and people going and seeing it.
Well, I think how many films have released? DDLJ is released.
DDLJ?
कुछ होता है re-release होगी? नहीं.
कुछ होता है. हमने तो इतनी स्टोरीज कर डाली कि हमें खुद ही नहीं आता कि कौन कौन सी री
But if it hasn't released, then I'd like to see Kuch Kuch Hota Hai back again in cinemas. So yeah, that's one film that I would like to.
Bazigar did it.
And maybe Pyar To Hona Hi Tha. Yeah, I think that's one film that I would like to see on screen again. I think it'll be fun to watch Pyar To Hona Hi Tha again.
Do you watch your films, like films that you have done in
No,
Thailand?
I don't.
Okay.
I'm really bad. I don't watch films, period. I'm more of a reader. So I watch films very rarely.
So we are almost done with the interview. So would you like to add something from your side about the film and everything?
The only thing that I would like to add is that the film, like I said before, is releasing on the 27th of June. 27 June ko release ho rahi hai, and we are very, very proud of it. We are we've worked very, very hard on it. It's a mythological horror, which is the first time that it is coming into cinemas, and I think that it's one of those films that has a feel to it. We haven't just made the film to be a particular genre. It has a feel to it. It has a story. It has something to say. So नाम माँ है तो माँ को लेके जाइए, लेकिन ज़रूर देखिए.
And one question I would like to add again, sorry. I think this has been asked from you many times because you have done mother's role in multiple films in the last few years. So again, the question is same that does it become very easy? Do you think it comes very naturally to you, mother's role? Because obviously,
of course it does. I think it's something that I am very good at. बहुत बार किया है, और I think अपने खुद के बच्चे होते हैं तो then it's automatically easier to enact that part of it. It's a role that I play every day, so it is easy.
The emotion also.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.